I'm here for a quick 2-minute video to talk to you and ask you a thought-provoking question of, are you including this secret magic ingredient in your business and in your client experience? Now, I was inspired. I'm about to tell you in a minute what the secret ingredient is, but I was inspired to make this video from a quote that I received in my email from Notes to the Universe. And I get that every day. I've been getting it for years. And the quote was, pretty much everyone you know wants you to love them. Good thing it's free, huh? Signed, the universe. And I was like, yes! If you know me, you know that I am all about love. I love love. And I'm not talking romantic, mushy-gushy, cupids in the sky, all that stuff. I'm also not talking like sexual harassment type of love. I'm talking about love. You and I are one. We are one person. We are in one world. We are all interconnected in a way that's completely inextricable and cannot be undone. Okay? What you do to me, you also do to yourself. All right? And no matter what business you have, you can turn up the volume on loving your clients, spreading love in the world, and loving your prospects, loving your community, loving up people who are in your bubble, who are your followers. And there's so many different ways to add love. So thoughtfulness is a very big way. Nurturing. How are you intentionally nurturing your community? How are you nurturing leads? How are you nurturing your clients, right? Often people close someone as a client, they sign them on as a client, and they're like, awesome, good to go. Let's do this deliverable and do our thing. Where can you add the magic? Where is the hot sauce, the spiciness, the fistful of glitter that I would not want to have to clean up from my house? Don't throw glitter. But you know what I'm saying, right? Like, there is a passion within you to do the thing that you do, to make the change that you make in the world. That change could be social media consulting. That change could be being a coach. It could be selling something, right? It could be anything. Whatever you're called to do, you can use that thing and that interaction, each interaction with a client, with a person, with an organization, can be infused with love. And now I've heard people say before that love won't work for me. I can't say love. You don't have to say love to give and show love. Bam! Truth bomb, right? You don't have to say love to show and give love. Love is caring. Love is thoughtfulness. Love is thinking about someone else's experience and making sure it's easy, making sure it's comfortable, making sure communication is clear, that you reach out, maybe you celebrate them, maybe at certain points, or you intentionally are like, oh, they had some good news, I should celebrate them. You send them a card if someone is ill in their family, in their life, if someone passes away, right? Like, that is love. And some people also, I've heard, I'm in a very masculine field, I shouldn't show love. That's total hooey, okay? I'm trying to keep it PG here. It's hooey. I actually have a client who is a goddess. She's amazing. When you listen to this, you'll know who you are. And she works with a lot of, one would consider a male-dominated field, right? And so she interacts with a lot of contractors and project managers and big organizations and all this stuff. And guess what? She shows love. One of the ways, many ways in her business that she shows love, is she shows love through taking care of her clients, staying on top of things, making sure everything's good, checking in, giving great service, not sassing off or complaining when they call and have a request or a need, right? And she gets sent clients all the time because she's a rock star and because she takes care of people. But all day long, she's mostly talking to men, right? And she's not saying, all right, love you, bye. No, not appropriate. Definitely not appropriate for her industry, right? But she gets to be the face of someone that cares. And that's what you get to be. So, you might be like, what on earth does this have to do with productivity? It has to do with the fact that I believe in productivity and I do business strategy in an effort to draw people to you, to connect them to you so you can serve them and change their lives in the world with exactly what you're called here to do. By loving people, you actually have the opportunity to transform their lives longer and make a bigger impact in the world. So, I want to hear in the comments below, how are you already spreading love in your business, number one, and number two, what can you do to either turn up the volume on that or spread more love in a different way in your business? I look forward to hearing that from you. If this has been helpful and you're like, gosh, I need to save more time so that I actually am able to be intentional about nurturing my clients and community and spreading more love in my business, I invite you to my website, fullspectrumproductivity.com, where you can download my free checklist, 33 systems every small business must have to be successful. And I look forward to hearing how that revolutionizes your life. And I will talk to you later. Be amazing. Bye.